Hi, I'm going to show you how to set up a fully functional shipping method in just 2 minutes using third-party services like Shippo. First, click here. Next, we need to set the warehouse location. Here, we can set the warehouse location, which is considered the origin for sending parcels, so it's important to ensure it's accurate. Let's add a shipping method. Click on Shipping here to get started.
Click here.
Here, we can add different shipping methods. We'll also be able to customize the logos and icons later on. Next, click on the shipping method you just created. Here, we can add shipping services for this method, such as Shippo, Shiprocket, Shipday, and others. Click on Add Service. Next, click on Shippo to add it as a shipping service. After that, click on the service you just added to configure it. Now click on Settings. Now, we need to enter the Shippo API key, which you can find in your Shippo dashboard. Select either Debug or Live mode based on your API key. It's a good idea to start with Debug mode to test and ensure order fulfillment works smoothly. And following that, click on Save. Now let's go back and use this shipping method for an order. Next up, click on the orders. Next, click here to select an order. Let's scroll down to the shipping step of the order fulfillment process. Here we can choose different shipping labels. Labels are generated based on the parcel's size, weight, distance, and the delivery addresses. A shipping label will be generated in your Shippo account. Here you can view the shipping details and timeline. You can also download the label and tracking information from this section. Have a great day and enjoy a seamless shipping experience with Selldone.